see the mold spots. This is my tape rewinder. Really, I just want to run the tapes forward and back to try to get them all unstuck. And you can hear this thing's really straining. You got a little train transformer driving a Lego mechanism down here. So, I won't focus in there, but it's working. I'm holding it back. If I let go, the whole thing like wants to twist. Let me pull this off. Probably won't let me pull it off. There it goes. We got it geared down quite a bit, and that's a 3D printed hub that fits right into the hub of the tape, or U-matic tape, so it's a 3/4 inch wide tape. Getting these to rewind and wind is taking quite a bit. There's also something to be noted, like how these sit. These are loose in there, so if it's up or down, it can be rubbing against the inside of the case. If that's what's going on, then that could be causing a lot more friction. For example, this guy here, you can see more of it. Let's see. Probably have it backwards. It's not even grabbing that one. Hold on. Now they only go one way. So, see the arrow? That way, it's that way. I think it's backwards. No, I had it right. Alright. Figure out which way is which. Grabbed there for a bit. Ah! Stay on. I think it's too low. I think this needs to be a little bit higher up. So I'm going to have to do some more adjusting. Come on, grab it. You helping out, kitty? Alright, so this one works pretty good. You can see how one spool is only like half a spool and the other one's half a spool, and they're flipped 180, and that's how it holds the tape. It's going to take a little while, but my end goal is to build a mechanism, open up the door, pull out the tape, and then run it across some cleaners, and hopefully clean up some of these tapes. Out of the way, Neebs! This one doesn't... I don't see any mold on... Oh, I saw a spot there. Part of the reason why it doesn't play easily is if these aren't set up just right, the spool's actually going to rub on the inside of the case. So I might need to put spacers in it to get it to work in the actual VCR. Because this motor's straining and I have it geared down a lot. That can only pull so much, so hopefully this will help unstick the tapes and make them run a lot better.